and this is a sticker. Get them damn dudes.
It don't matter where you go. You can search high, you can't search low. But it's guaranteed you'll never find another nigga like me. Niggas think they gangsta cause they throw signs. I bet they take the block off when I throw mine. It's guaranteed there'll never be another nigga like me.
Listen nigga, I don't say shit I can't repeat, and I keep it real gangster from the booth to the streets. The jury never made me and never will. Motherfuckers out here hate me and hate me still. I don't do stupid ass shit to get accepted. Keep my name out your mouth while I check your dental records. You're not a gangster to me, little boy, you a bitch. Only stripes I see go up your motherfucking back. I'm certified in the streets, OG status. Throw something on the stage, let the whole front row have it. Fully loaded semi-automatic is the tool. Bitch, don't make me act a motherfucking fool. Point blank the bull, no doubt, one of the hardest. Extra clips in the glove compartment. Soon I'ma be considered one of the largest. Also known as the knock.